In today's video, I'll be explaining and showing you how you can open up your HP Smart Tank 580 model. If you don't have this exact model but another HP Smart Tank and you need to open it up, then I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So if you don't have this exact model, don't worry, this solution should help you as well. So the first thing you're going to need for this is to make sure that the printer is in an open space where you can remove everything and put it down safely. I'm not actually going to take off the lid in the video, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it and any alternative that may be a bit easier and maybe less risky if you do need to open it up for whatever reason. So to begin, make sure that the printer's on and you have a consistent power light, and we're going to just open up the front door and have a look inside. And this is the first step, and then from there, if more drastic measures are needed, then we can take the next step. So we're going to come to the front of the printer, and you see this little latch here that you can grab a hold of and just pull it forward. Now when you do that, you'll notice that the power light begins to flash and you get a little warning sign there. This is just for you to know that the printer has registered that it is open and that it's sort of terminated any print jobs that were queued at the time. Now from here we can have a look into the machine if there's any paper jams or anything which may be causing problems with your printing, then you can have a look. You can also check the print heads, which are just over there, to make sure everything is okay. And at the moment everything seems to look good in here. It's worth taking a note of what it does look like whilst everything's working. That way if there is a paper jam or something wrong, then you know what to look out for. So this is a pretty good internal working of a printer. This is looking pretty good. It's also worth checking the ink levels as while you're here and making sure that all of the caps are down, as if you move the printer and they're up, then you may end up getting a paper spill, and this may be a bit messy and also wasteful of your ink, which no one wants to buy more ink when they don't necessarily have to. So this looks all good. Now the way to open up the actual printer by removing the lid, you'll require a screwdriver, and there are 4 screws that you'll need to locate and remove. So I'll show you exactly where they are. The first one is here on the left or the right hand corner, sorry, just above where the door is released from. So you can see that there. And then you have as well just above the ink tanks is another one. Now this will loosen the front half of your printer and you'll be able to take that off, but it will not fully come off unless you unscrew the 2 at the back. So I'll show you those as well. If you come over to where the paper is, and you'll see there's 2 screw holes there, which are a bit deeper so you can't actually see the screws, but there's one in there, and then there's one also over here, so you can see those. And now you'll need to unscrew those both, and the front too, if you wanted to take the full top off the printer. But I must warn you, as a lot of components are made of plastic, you must be very careful whilst doing that, as it could cause issues further down the line if you break something and you may not realize you've done it, as a lot of the components are made of plastic, so they're more fragile, I can say, than other machinery. So it's always very careful to do that. If you can avoid it, of course, do so. Before doing it even, it's worth just checking out on YouTube our channel to see if there's any solutions to your issues, or if not, you can always check out the HP customer service, which is quite useful to use to allocate which is your error codes you're receiving and what the solution is to fix that. So that is how you would take apart your HP printer. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Do leave us some feedback down in the comment section below. It's always appreciated, and I love to hear back from all of you. My name is Pat. This is Printers with Pat. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good day.